Wake me up before you go, don't leave me hanging on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a BoxyLuxe unboxing. This is actually a first unboxing I have done on my channel. I usually do BoxyCharms, and the past couple BoxyLuxes were when I was pregnant with my daughter, and then also right after I had her, and I didn't have time to film them. So I have received a couple of BoxyLuxes in the past, but today we have December BoxyLuxe. And it's upside down, but I haven't even opened this yet. I don't know what's in it. I've seen some of the sneak peeks online on BoxyCharms Instagram, but I haven't really seen a lot. I need to fix my hair because this is really annoying. Earlier, I filmed and my hair was fine. 100% fine. This is the BoxyLuxe box for December, which means that I paid a little bit extra for the BoxyLuxe box. It's an additional like $20 on top of the $20 that you pay for the regular Boxy, and it comes every 3 months. Ta-da! BoxyCharm. And I guess it's geared more towards the holidays because December is holiday time. Ooh, sweet. So I already saw in here some brands that I really like, which really excites me. So I guess the theme this month is whimsy, and it kind of looks Christmassy, but kind of not really. Like, this box is huge. I think this is the biggest BoxyLuxe box I have ever received. So I'm going to pull out the first thing that I find, which is a Daily Concepts Daily Hair Wrap Towel. Anti-frizz, easy to use, hands-free drying. And this retails for an MSRP of $18. So this is just a towel specifically for your hair, but I'm pretty sure that these are supposed to help breakage. Hair towel wrap helps reduce frizz and maintain healthier hair by cutting the time of blow drying and heat exposure, which ultimately reduces the risks of split ends and excessive damage. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. It is a gel cleanser. It removes makeup, even mascara, without drying. For soft, subtle skin, it's made with amino acid-rich soy proteins, calming cucumber, and a balancing rose water. It also soothes and tones sensitive skin. I'm going to smell this. It doesn't have a scent to it. It actually doesn't say if it is cruelty-free or not, so I'll have to do a little bit more digging into that one. We'll find out. That face cleanser is a $48 face cleanser. It better be cruelty-free. We have a Too Faced Melted Metallic. Pretty sure this is a lipstick. And Too Faced is obviously cruelty-free. Long-wearing, innovative, ultra-matte lipstick with the staying power of a stain and intense color of liquid lipstick. This retails for $21. Too Faced, I actually have a couple of products from Too Faced, and I do like them. Ooh, the packaging is so cute. It's like a rose gold color. That is super cute. So I'm going to put that back in there. We'll test it later. I don't think I'd ever pay $21 for a liquid lipstick, but I guess other people would. So this is the Ciat Confetti Highlighter. I've been seeing sneak peeks of this one. Oh my gosh, like, apparently it's gorgeous. Achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciat London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. It retails for $32 MSRP. Let's see this beauty. Compact is cute. Ooh, jeez. And it's like really hard to see, but it does have like, it reminds me of the Physicians Formula highlighters that you get. So hopefully this does, you know, produce a great highlight. So we're going to put this back in the box because we're going to try it on in a little bit. I don't remember if oh yes they are. They're cruelty-free and it's vegan. I love how BoxyCharm boxes their things. They always wrap the things that are going to break like in bubble wrap. It's like perfect. Lip Line Corrector. I need this because I have teeny tiny little lips. So this is the QMS Lip Line Corrector. Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, Lip Line Corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. The high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. In Deutsch Lippenserum liegt die Serum mit Hydratierenden. Sorry guys, I know a little bit of German and I like to read the German just to keep up with it, but it is a lip serum. It pops up. Say what? And then it pumps. So I kind of want to put a little bit on my lips. Okay, I don't like that though, because like every single time I press down, it's... Okay, there we go. So apparently you just put it on your upper lip. But I'm going to put it on the whole thing. And it's from Medico Cosmetics. Never heard of them before. QMS Medico Cosmetics. We'll see how that works. My lips bigger yet? This retails for what? I didn't even look at the price of this, guys. It better work because it's worth $200. $200? Yeah, no thank you. Like, $200 in my hand for a freaking lip product? I don't think so. Yee! I would never spend that much. Oh my god, that just makes me squirm so bad. So I just squirted like $50 worth of product on my lips right there, you know. I'm so glad that was in my BoxyCharm. Alrighty. And then Saturday Skin. Let's see here. I'm still blown away by... Wow. This is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It's an anti-aging glacier water cream. It delivers a mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. Retails for $39. Distributed in Los Angeles. No parabens, sulfates, or synthetic fragrances, but it does not say whether or not it is cruelty-free. Dive into hydration. Alaskan glacier water envelops skin with fresh moisturization. Hydrating Iceland moss extracts help to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. Plastic. $30 for a plastic, you know. And it has one of these little pull tab things. I actually like that in, whoa, hello, packaging. And it's like gelish, I think is the best term. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand just to kind of see how moisturizing it is. So we just have a little dab here. Hear the plasticiness of that? Like, okay, so we're putting this on the back of my hand. My hands are super dry, so this should, you know, help. I'm just going to let it sit, soak, be there. $39, Saturday Skin, Glacial Water, Fall Hydrating Cream. Yes. This was the brand that I saw when I opened up the box, and it is IGK. I actually have used this in another video about styling short hair, and I used their IGK hair balm. This is a charcoal detoxing dry shampoo. Detoxifying, oil erasing, and scalp soothing. So the IGK First Class Charcoal Detoxing Dry Shampoo. A powerful dry shampoo that cleanses the oiliest hair and scalp with oil erasing, odor eliminating charcoal powder, allowing you to go even longer between washes. MSRP is $27, and IGK is actually a cruelty-free formula. I can't remember if they're vegan though. Okay, and then we're getting into like the depths of the box here. Okay, so this is the M Green Grass Dry Oil Spray Beach Air. Fast absorbing multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Layer with M Green Grass hand and body for extra moisture. So I'm actually going to open this. So the fragrance is Dry Air, inspired by Greece. That's a glass bottle. That is awesome. Glass bottles are great because you can actually reuse them for other things. It affects your carbon footprint a lot less, which is awesome. Fragrances of bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian soft woods, heliotrope, and musk. Multi-use for body, face, and hair. Ooh, that smells good. I kind of want to spritz them on my face, guys. It's proudly made in America. It is made in Manhattan Beach, California. That's awesome. Spray and massage the oil directly onto your skin. For hair, spray the oil onto your palms and run through the tips of your hair to disperse evenly. For face, spray the oil into your hands and apply to face where needed. So I guess I really can't like just spray it all over my face, but I can spray it on my hair. Spray onto your palms and run through the tips of your hair to disperse evenly. So we'll just do, just to feel the texture. Oh, it does. It smells like a beach. So we're just going to run it through my hair. And it's supposed to help with moisture. So like in winter, obviously it's dry. If you guys don't know the technique with a, what are they called? A dryer sheet. Where you run it through your hair and it helps like with staticness, then this would be another great thing to use. It does have like a little bit, like look how shiny my hands are. So let's see if it leaves a residue, and my hand is so soft on the other side where I put that water cream. So that is nice. So it'll feel really great on my skin. I also did receive a little 30% off coupon. That's also for mgreengrass.com. 30% off my first purchase. So that's an exclusive Boxy code. And then I have one more thing in my box, and it looks like a book because it is from Storybook Cosmetics. Storybooks Cosmetics Little Briar Rose Eyeshadow. Briar Rose is Sleeping Beauty. So here is the packaging. It literally looks like a book. And then here is the eyeshadows inside. It says, this palette is a magical palette featuring a custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte metallic and pearl eyeshadows. Cruelty-free, long-wearing, buttery smooth, and it can be used wet or dry. Mix and match to concoct your favorite spellbinding look. This is really cute. Like, this totally reminds me of a book. I love it. The design of this is beautiful. And the colors are really pretty too, actually. They know me so well. Even like the inside is beautiful. Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. Hans Christian Andersen. Okay, that's even more ironic because The Little Mermaid is my favorite story, and Hans Christian Andersen is the writer of The Little Mermaid. So I even actually have a collection of his stories. They are sitting on the bookshelf in my son's room, and I like to sit down and read to him the Hans Christian Andersen stories. The Little Mermaid obviously is my favorite, hence why my daughter, her middle name is Ariel, and also because her room is decorated in mermaids. So, yes! And then, ooh, so they have everything that is named after Sleeping Beauty in general. So they have Briar Rose, Spindle, Talia, which I've never heard of before. And the Grimm brothers are the writers of Sleeping Beauty. So they have Grimm in here, Prince, Castle, Beauty, Woodland, Enchanted, Fairies, Thorn, and Kiss, which... Side note, there is actually an author. Her name is Robin McKinley, and she is an amazing fairy tale writer, and she actually wrote a book on Sleeping Beauty. It's called Spindle's End. You need to read that book. There's actually a couple different versions of it, and then she also wrote a really, really good book about Beauty and the Beast as well. So side note on that, nerd in me, but this is so cool. I don't think it's really like travel friendly, but it's pretty cool. So guys, we have my full BoxyCharm, and yes, it is worth way more than, a lot more than what I paid for it. The $200 lip serum, I don't even know if I'm gonna like use that because like, holy crap. What person in their right mind would spend $200 on a lip serum? Although, I mean, they feel pretty good, but I really wish I knew the ingredients in it, so I will have to look that up. Maybe you know, keep using it, keep testing it, see if it actually works. I'm putting, you know, $50 worth of product onto my lips like every single time that I use it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Give it a good thumbs up. If you do, I'm going to be doing a separate application video for this specific BoxyLuxe because it's BoxyLuxe. It needs its own video. This is just the unboxing portion. So stay tuned for the application process. We'll go from naked face to full face and all in between. And stay tuned for that video coming to my channel pretty quick here. And I will see you later. Bye. I look like a retard when I wave like that. Bye!